How to create a new account on Brawl Stars. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a new account on Brawl Stars. First, ensure you have a compatible iOS or Android device with an internet connection. Next, download Brawl Stars from the App Store or Google Play Store. Now open the game for the first time. You will be guided through the steps to create a new account. Simply follow the on-screen instructions and your new account will be ready. If you want to secure your progress, link your account to a Supercell ID. This optional step is highly recommended and allows you to access your account on multiple devices. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.